respected assessor, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak on the topic joint family versus nuclear family, which reflects the social transition taking place in modern Indian society due to changing economic, cultural, and lifestyle factors. The joint family system has been a strong foundation of Indian society for generations. In this system, multiple generations live together under one roof and share responsibilities. It promotes values such as togetherness, cooperation, mutual adjustment, and respect for elders. Children grow up in a secure environment where grandparents play an important role in moral education and value formation. Emotional support is easily available during times of stress, illness, or financial difficulty. Sharing of resources reduces individual burden, and traditions, customs, and festivals are celebrated collectively, strengthening cultural identity and social bonding. However, in the present era, the joint family system also faces several challenges. Differences in thinking between generations, changing aspirations of youth, and varying lifestyle preferences can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. Personal freedom and privacy may be limited, which sometimes affects individual growth. Decision-making becomes complex due to the involvement of many members. Additionally, urbanization, limited housing space, and job mobility make it difficult to sustain traditional joint families. On the other hand, the nuclear family system, consisting of parents and children, has gained popularity due to modernization, education, and employment opportunities. This system offers greater independence, flexibility, and privacy. Decisions related to career, finance, and parenting can be taken quickly. Nuclear families encourage self-dependence, responsibility, and adaptability, which are essential qualities in today's competitive world. Many working couples find it easier to manage professional commitments in a smaller family setup. Despite these advantages, nuclear families also face limitations. Lack of extended family support increases emotional and financial pressure, especially during childcare, illness, or old age. Children may miss the warmth and guidance of elders, while parents may experience stress due to balancing multiple responsibilities. Social isolation and weakening family bonds can also be observed. In conclusion, the debate between joint family and nuclear family is not about deciding which system is superior, but about understanding how both can contribute positively to society. Joint families represent the strength of collective living, emotional security, and cultural continuity, while nuclear families symbolize individual freedom, adaptability, and efficiency in a rapidly changing world. As society evolves, it is important to blend the strengths of both systems. Respect for elders, emotional bonding, and shared responsibility should be preserved, even within smaller family units. Thank you.